Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Farm Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my green seasoning, okay? It also known as Epis in Haiti, okay? So what I'm going to show you guys today, okay, these are my ingredients, okay? I have like 3 green onions, okay, and half a yellow bell pepper and 2 yellow onions, 2 green bell peppers, and 1 pack of parsley, and 2 whole garlics, okay, and I have 1 jalapeno and some hot peppers, and I have some Maggi, okay, and salt, okay, and I'm going to use some olive oil, okay. So what I'm going to do first, guys, I'm going to, you see that, clean them up, okay. I'm going to take all those tape off, okay, and do the same thing with everything else, okay. When we come back, we'll start, and I have my blender, okay, and then we'll finish up, okay, when we come back. Okay guys, as you can see, everything already cut up, okay. I have all my green pepper, onions, and yellow onions, and the green bell peppers, parsley, and garlics, and my Maggi, okay, salt. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add everything in the blender, okay. Let me start with the green bell peppers and the yellow onions, okay, my green onions, okay, I have to, okay, parsley, okay, and my hot peppers, jalapenos, okay. I have to do like 2 set of that, okay, so because it's kind of like, you know, too small for everything, okay. Now I'm adding my Maggi, 1 in this one, and then salt, little bit of salt, 1 tablespoon, okay. Now I'm going to add my olive oil, okay, just 1 tablespoon, okay, and water, some cold water, okay, this one for later, okay. Now I'm putting the lid on, okay guys. I'm going to blend that up, and then when we come back, we'll finish up, okay. Come back. Okay guys, everything is done. I have 2 containers I'm going to put my Epis in, okay. This is my green Epis, okay, seasoning, okay. Let me pour them, okay. Guys, this is what I use when I'm marinating my meat, okay. Anything, fish, whatever meat you have, this is what we use in Haiti for our meat, okay. It's very good, okay. Give it a try, okay. Cover it up. It's very good, guys. You know, I have to taste it. It's very good, okay. Now I'm going to put them in the fridge, okay. Whenever I'm cooking, guys, whatever I'm making, rice, whatever, so this is what I use, okay. Okay, there it is, okay. That's it, guys, for today, okay. I wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys like this recipe, Epis recipe, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and remember to share with your family and friends, okay. If you have any comment, you can just leave me any comments down below and I will answer, okay. So enjoy and give it a try, guys. Whatever food you're making, make sure you have that in your fridge, okay. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for being with me. Bye.